crypto investing, and you can see last night what we had going on here. If we go to the 2-hour time frame, is we held support again on this lower support like we've done back here, right here, right here, right here, and right now, right? So what you got to watch out for today is when you back test this, like it looks like you're coming down to right now, can you hold this uptrending green line and bounce and get up into your upper resistance, right? Your upper resistance is way up now, right? See that, right? Now, as you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, company philosophy, as we're your most trusted source of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology and breaking news and coin updates. As I gave everybody a sneak peek of Fiscal and Monetary Policy Fridays. It's a 25-minute video on wage and price controls in the state of the economy. Check that out. That's what's going on at members of Jabroni Killers. But if we zoom in to the 45, you can see this is what we were talking about. When you back test this today, let's get out of that. Now you're back testing this lower support. Can you hold the green ring or the green uptrending symmetrical triangle and bounce again? Or are you going to slip past it and this time take a bigger nosedive, which would probably bring you back down into here, right? Where the red arrow is, which we got to move the red arrow to get to the current day. And then we got to move this to the current day, right? So if you can't hold that critical support right there, that's where you need to hold right here today in the immediate short term. If you're looking to try to trade this pump, you got excited, you woke up, you got to hold this critical support line. If you fail to hold this, you're coming down to here. If you can hold this, then you can get bullish, right? So that's what you need to watch out for, this critical uptrending line. I don't know where our price label went with the price, and the price is an uptrending, and it is sitting today at $38,669, right? So that's what you need to hold. XRP is the same uptrending support. You can see last night we had a phenomenal pump off of that. It's the same support. You can see the big blue arrow was looking at it, and we said you got to hold the 74 uptrending line. And last night when you came down to it, you had a nice pump, but then you sold all the way off for yesterday. And now you've sold all the way off since then. And your critical area, just like Bitcoin, is back testing the 74-cent line again. And if you can hold that and pump, you can get bullish again. But if you break that, you're going to more than likely come down to this underneath target that we have down here at 63 cents. And then you could do something like this. Drop down, hold support, come back up, back test. And then if you get rejected, then you come down to your lower target down there on your short-term target, right? So that's what you're looking at in the old XL and the XRP. You see that? And then XLM is very similar. You got to hold support on the 16 to 17 cent line where you bounced again. If you fail to hold that, you're coming all the way down to the 10-cent line, and then there's a much lower target down there at the next ring. But your critical line today, if we zoom out to the 3-hour time frame, you can see it's at 17 cents, 16.66 cents. If you can't hold that, you're having a flash flush all the way down. What the fuck happened down here? I don't know what that is. What we got going on down there now? EMA volume. Why is the volume looking like that? Let's go into here. Fuck's going on down there? Not sure what's going on with the volume, why that just switched like that, but that is not what we'd like to see. We'll have to get to that later. I don't know what's going on with that, but the volume is done. I don't know what the volume has done. The volume is doing some volume things, but I don't understand what the volume things are trying to do. That's just the moving average. That's there. It's there. Who knows? I don't know what it did. There it is. I don't know what that shit below it is. I don't want that shit below it. That shit below it's oh, get rid of that. I don't know what the fuck that is. The AR nonsense. I don't want that. But you can see what's going on here because we don't need that. That just adds clutter to our chart. But you can see in Cardano, after we've moved from XLM, we're going to go to Cardano, and you can see we're trying to hold. We keep getting knocked down by the moving averages since we've been in on the last line of defense, the shit house. So if you can't get over that, you're coming down to that 63 cents. And if we look at the rest of the market, that's starting to trade back down after a little bit of a pump to get everybody excited overnight. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love. 69.7 FM. Smooth jazz on the cryptocurrency nightly radio show host. And that's right, I am the new Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing morning breaking news, crypto stock analysis commentator. And we're going to look over the cryptocurrency coins. And if we look over at the coins, you can see Iota is falling and falling fast. H bar is now down from its peak today and only up 1.46%. And if we look at the Iota chart, you can see it looks like Algo chart, right? Yes. And we're going to fall down to 54 cents in Algo or Iota. Peace and love until your next nightly news update on 69.73 Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Dun, 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 dun. Breaking news. Peace and love. Peace and love.